In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a unit in Zoho Invoice, a useful skill for anyone looking to efficiently manage items in this fantastic invoicing software. Zoho Invoice offers a powerful platform where you can organize and track your invoicing with precision. It's especially handy when you have various items, each measured in different units such as kilograms, hours, or pieces. Let's walk through the process of adding a unit to a new item. Our journey begins on the Zoho Invoice dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the platform. Now, direct your focus to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a variety of modules designed to help you navigate through different functionalities. What we're looking for is the Items module. Once you locate it in the sidebar, go ahead and click on it. This is your primary workspace for managing all the items that you'll be working with. Next, we want to create a new item. This is where the magic begins. At the top of the item screen, look for the Plus New button. It might also appear as a little plus icon next to the module name, depending on your configuration. Click on this, and you'll see a form pop up, designed specifically for adding new items. Take a deep breath, as this is where you'll input all the necessary details for the item you wish to add to your inventory. As you fill in this form, make sure to include the item's name and type. For the type, you'll have two options: goods, if you're dealing with physical products, or services for non-material offerings. Accuracy here is key to ensuring your inventory is correctly categorized. Take a moment to review these details, as they play an important role in how your item will appear in invoices and reports. Now, we get to the crucial part: adding the unit. Within the form, you'll see a field specifically labeled Unit. This is where you'll type in the unit that best represents how you measure this item. Common examples include kg for kilograms, hours for time-based services, or pieces for individual items. Selecting the appropriate unit is essential, as it ensures that both you and your clients have a clear understanding of what's being invoiced. Once you've input all the necessary details and double-checked for any errors, it's time to save your work. Find the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the form, and click it. This final action adds your new item, complete with its associated unit, into the Zoho Invoice system. And there you have it. You've successfully added a unit to a new item in Zoho Invoice. Remember, mastering these small tasks can significantly boost your efficiency, making your overall invoicing process smoother and more professional. Thanks for joining me, and be sure to explore other features Zoho Invoice has to offer.